Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost someone's note on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's proceed with our tutorial. So here in Instagram, you will only be able to start reposting notes as stickers on your own story. So simply you will be needing to go to the story you want to repost, and here I'm just going to the friends list, and those are all the notes that I have. Now you will be needing to hold tab on the notes that you want to repost, and after that you will be needing to simply add it within your own story. So in this case, it is only in music and there is no text that can be added as a note. But in the case, if it has like some kind of text and stuff, you will be able to choose the notes and click on add to story. So you will have the add to story option that will be showing. And after that, it will be just a simple process. It will be added as a sticker. So we can go here to more and let's see if there is an edit. So here you will be able to start editing on your story, and then you will be able to add the text and add all the editing that you can do to all stories. And at the end, you will be able to send or to post the story, and you can simply click here and I can show you. So it will be a simple process. You will be able to add the text to it, you will be able to add music to it and do whatever you like, and then you can click on your story and it will be added. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.